What's up everybody, Sam Acevedo here, and today we have a bunch of goodies to install. I'm going to break it down in multiple videos, this way everyone out there can see what they are and how to install it. I'll give you a quick first impressions on each thing. So we have mirror caps, rear diffuser, rear wingettes. We also have an intercooler. We have a charge pipe. I mean, it's going in, right? In fact, I even picked up a set of winter tires, or actually winter wheels and tires. So check this out. Not bad. I mean, it has a little bit of curb rash, but for a winter tire, even with a refinish, dude, these look amazing. So, tires are Blizzaks. Never heard of them. Apparently, BMW and Mercedes put them on. So I'm ready for winter. First things first, let's get into the car. I just threw everything in my passenger seat. I know exactly what you're thinking. Sam, what's going on with the mirror caps? Let's dress them up. Bingo bango. Carbon fiber mirror caps. Not just covers. We're gonna take the ones I have off, put these bad boys on. So I got these from BWE Customs. These are super hard to find. And I'm not gonna lie, they're expensive for this tiny piece. I could have gotten away with going on eBay and grabbing like a cheap pair for like 60, 70 bucks, but why, right? It's my car, I want it to look good. I want to ensure that I get the best quality. So from BWE Customs, Eric Santana, thanks a lot, man. I mean, they really put out some great stuff here. And shipping was quick. I mean, within a week or 2 weeks, they showed up at my door. So, first step is to remove the ones that I have on the car, and that should be super easy. I'm gonna get a panel popper, and just pop them out. If you don't have a panel popper, you can use a flathead screwdriver, wrap a little bit of tape at the end, and pop them out. Panel popper. Let's do it. So this is the OEM. Now remember, this is an LCI 2011. So it will be different than the pre-LCI. And then this is the carbon fiber, which looks way bigger. But if you take a look at the inside, okay, they have the same clips, right? They got the same clips here. So it's a direct swap. Let's do it. These clips here go in between these here, all right? And all you have to do is push it in. That was it. I mean, just line it up a little bit from the bottom, push it in, it's gonna snap in place. There's a small little gap here, but that's normal. That's the OEM gap. But it looks great. Can it fold with this little peak here? Let's see. All right, yeah. Doesn't get in the way. I mean, it looks great. There's no blemishes. I mean, looks really good. Now, I don't know if you can take a shot of the difference on the car. We got the left side. We're gonna do the same thing with the right. Remove the piece and put the carbon fiber on. there you have it. Both put in. Left side went in super easy. The right side, I mean, there's a little bit of alignment that you have to do. There is a slot that goes around that has to fit in to the factory unit here. So it does take a little bit of playing around with, but as soon as you get the alignment, it snaps into place and it's solid. All right. Yes, someone can come by and rip it off. Sure, that could happen. But it's on there and it's on there right. So it's not going to come off while you're driving. That's for sure. I think they look great. I think it goes well with the lip. It's going to go well with that back diffuser that I'm about to put on. But I like it. I think it gives the car a little bit of a more aggressive feel. So thanks BWE Customs. Check them out. They have good stuff. I also bought the diffuser from them. A couple other goodies. So that's it for this video. So if you can like, comment, subscribe, I'll check you on the next one.